Welcome back to another video. I'm going to try to keep this brief. There's a lot of background noise. The car was looking good, so I thought I'd share some fun facts about this ultra slow shifting transmission. So 2016 SS running the 8-speed. You can now get it with the 10-speed, which is a lot faster, but obviously I'm not trading my car in for a transmission. This car is supposed to be ungodly slow. It's supposed to be the slowest of the slow. That badge right there says super slow. The only thing slower than a super slow is its transmission. To be honest, it shifts very much like you would imagine a manual would be to own. You downshift and you get the bit of the pause, engage, proceed. I don't know. It's really not a bad experience. It just isn't, oh my god, a lightning bolt, right home to your mother, amazing, when you're cruising around town. Now, that being said, when you're on the drag strip, this thing shifts like it's nobody's business. It is absolutely fantastic. It does every bit as good a job as you would anticipate. And I must say, I've never had an issue. I've never felt like I wasn't getting the shift times I wanted. It's performance when it's performance. It's casual when you're casual. And I don't understand where the issues, where the complaints, where the horrible reviews, where all the awful stuff comes from that everybody just raves about and hates on with the Camaro. I don't really get it. I guess being an owner, I got 60,000 kilometers. I don't even know what that translates to. What's 6 times 6? 36,000 miles. So there's some quick math. 6,000 miles per 10,000 kilometers. Roughly, so that's about where we're at. And I've never had an issue. I've always enjoyed the car. Just going through town and holding your gear. I think most people see 8-speed, think, oh my god, it's a slow shifting transmission. We're going to be going from 8th to 2nd on every corner. That's not really how driving works. When you're cruising around, you shift 1 or 2 gears once in a while. When you're on the track, you're in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 4th. You're never beyond that. Even 4th would be a stretch. This car is pulling almost 100 miles an hour in 3rd gear. So why, like, fitting into 3rd gear? I don't know where you're going to be that you're really going to need more than that. But I don't know. This car sold horribly and was reviewed horribly because the reviewers just seem to forget what it is built to do and how many jobs it has to do and how well all of those jobs have to be done. So it's quite interesting. Quite interesting to see how the car has progressed, how my opinions have evolved, changed or not changed. In this case, not changed. Enjoyed it from day one. Raced it, enjoyed it even more. And now we're back to still enjoying it. I got to get it flushed. That is definitely a major problem, and it is definitely a massive negative, but GM's looking after it and they're paying to get it fixed. So I don't know. What do you guys think? A8 transmission, should it just burn and rot in hell? Or should the reviewers get their head out of their keisters and maybe review things as they are supposed to be done? You buy a car that's designed to be daily driven, it is daily drivable, but then everybody complains it's not race car enough. I don't know. I don't know where you're going to win that argument. But that right there, that looks pretty cool. Whoop. It's not going to focus. It's just going to keep you on the tire. That's okay. Oh, Camaro. Never any mixed bag of fun. That's it for me. Until next time, take care, drive safe, and behave, as always.